We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to test key resistance levels, and in today's volatility, our SPY buy. At 12:40 a.m., sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can get connected as well. The link is down below in the description. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, fighting to stay above 595 in the after hours. We're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the one opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, the link is down below in the description to get connected over to the community and receiving this clarity and edge that you deserve over the charts, whether stocks are going up or going down. So the home run today was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot early on in the morning, as you see it here popping up on the Discord, it sent out a bear indicator at 9:40 a.m. And from that moment forward, it lasted for most of the day. It never got canceled with the bull indicator till the second half towards the end at 3:25 p.m. And the 9:40 a.m. notification of a bear indicator lasted for most of the day. And outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. There was pure weakness there on those charts, transitioning from bright green to red. And put options went up 200% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and you gaining that edge and clarity that you deserve. Check out the link down below in the description to get equipped within the volatility. And there we see it, a full move from 422 down to lows here of 403. And it never got canceled till here at around 404 with that bull indicator going into the close. Now, let's jump into the SPY and see what's going on here and what key levels to watch going into tomorrow. So the SPY is fighting here at a critical support, right? There was a support there going into the open on the 30-minute. It dropped down to 594. Bounced right back up, rejected 599. 600 is a key resistance we've been watching based off the history of the chart. Comes right back down, and it's fighting here to stay above 595. If we zoom into the volatility, a full transition has happened now to the downside from bright green bars to our referred borders. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the rips from the dips to the rips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bear indicator here at the 597.95 level, canceling out that bull indicator that re-popped up at 586. Breaking out from that tight resistance and support here, that consolidation between 592 all the way down to 585. It got broken through last Thursday down towards 581, quickly came back up, and here we are testing key resistance levels up here from the recent highs near 601, the 602 level, and slowing down as it reached 600. SP500. Now, a bear indicator has popped up to cancel out this bull indicator, but it's going to be crucial to justify any further weakness to the downside for a bear indicator to follow on larger time frames, such as the 1 hour, as we see it popping up and confirming here at 596, and then even zooming out towards the 4 hour, right? Because it just got a bull indicator in today's pre-market at 590. So any little pullback here needs to be further justified with larger time frames having a bear indicator, right? Canceling out that bull indicator here on the 4 hour. And if we zoom out and look at it from the 1 hour, we go ahead and see here again, zoomed in, a bear indicator, and then the 1 day all the way zoomed out, we could see a bear indicator has lasted here for the last several days and weeks, right? We've talked about this. To justify any move to the upside, this bear indicator needs to be canceled by a bull indicator. If not, any resistance that cannot be broken through and it gets close to it and rejects, it's going to continue to dominate with weakness here, and it's going to be crucial to watch those supports such as 585, 582, and even the 590 level now that we're back above it. Now, a bear indicator is still dominating on the 1 day. That is something to not ignore, because back here when this bull indicator was looking strong, there was a point of volatility that there were bear indicators on lower time frames and this pullback happened, but it never was justified because no bear indicator popped up, found support, and did the next leg up, and this bull indicator was dominating through the volatility. And same thing here. We're trying to push back up, finding support down here, creating that double bottom effect as we talked about in previous videos, but a bull indicator needs to pop up to really justify any move upwards. If not, once a resistance is hit and rejected and back down, this bull indicator is dominating over the charts. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is 595. Then below that is 593, and then I'll be watching the 590 area. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for those bull indicators to start popping up on the lower time frames in the volatility, because it's under a bear indicator, and the first resistance is 598, then 600, and then comes, based off the history of the chart, 602. It rejected 2 times up here several days back, and we want to see that get broken through with strength. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside, and I'll be watching 42 Vision very closely. And if you guys want to get equipped with it, you can now get connected to gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility. Check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.